Hello fellow Yeeps, and in today's video I'm gonna be buying the bundle and I'm gonna be checking out the deep sea lab. The deep sea update. I don't have lab rat, I'm sorry. So yeah, let's roll the clip. First, if you walk right in, you'll see there's a fish where you can get easy coins. I've bought some items like a crab cage. That's all I bought. Oh, and there is a shark in the sea. And there's this pretty cool jump scare. So they revamped the whole map, making it even better than before. This is a really cool update and really the bundle. It's called the Poseidon bundle. And I really like it. Gonna buy it. Ah, and it's oh, okay. Goodbye. The bundle. It's pretty funny. And whoa.